Hey, what's up, Fantasyville fans? Just checked in here at Le Hombre. Gonna walk into the room so you see what the room looks like. Do a little hotel room tour at the Le Hombre in Lake Charles Hotel Casino Resort. Yeah.
You don't have a refrigerator?
Evacuation plan. Mirror. Maybe you get the join your room. 2 queen size beds. Coffee maker. 2 free bottles of water. Safe. Iron board. 1 chair. Light. Then our view is the golf courses. The other side gets the pool and the water, which would probably be good. It's 86 degrees, but this is outgoing. There's the other bridge, the trestle bridge, way over there. That goes across the river and then goes to Lake Charles over there. But we got the golf course view. So this is the room. Small queen size beds, but it does the purpose for an overnight stay. I'll go in the restroom in a little bit. The walk through is a shower area, tub, handicap bar, nice little lion here. Again, and then your toilet down in this area here.
Yeah.
Blow dryer.
It's not, maybe later than that.
What kind of Chinese food do they have?
Regular Chinese.
Do they have a
Later, it's gonna
buffet
be poor.
or a menu?
It's gonna be poor.
What?
It's gonna be poor.
So if you like this hotel review and tour, like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Adios.